Probably a mess now. Okay, so here we are over on the driver's side, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the inlet side here, and hopefully I get a little something out of there. By the way, while I'm down here, look at all that oil leak. Oh my god. Definitely time for a motor swap, some new gaskets. So there we go, let's give this a shot. Okay, there we go. Let it flow. Let it flow. By the way, this is by no means a how-to video. There's a really nice step-by-step instructions already on Mishimoto's website. This is just me recording my stupidity as I try to mess around with this thing and get it done. So, anyways, don't take this too seriously. My radiator fan is a Flexolite, one of the universals. That's why all this extra bracketry and weirdness. So here we go. I got the side brackets installed. If you're curious on how to do those, visit Mishimoto's website. They have a fantastic how-to video on how to put the side brackets on. Very, very simple, but there is one side that has the dedicated drain plug, so make sure you get that right. This isolates the radiator from the brackets to prevent cracking. I love that it's got a nice little serial number up here and a thing stamped on. It's beautiful, beautiful. Definitely proud to have it in the front of my car. So here we go. A moment of truth. It's in perfectly. Battery died on the camera, so had to go charge that up a little bit. That didn't stop me from doing a few more things. I went ahead and installed the secondary bracket, the brackets for the radiator, and one of the brackets down below, and the other there. Having some clearance issues with the reservoir and the fan shroud. And unfortunately, since I can't move it any farther this way, unless I remove this, whatever this thing is, I'm stuck with the fan in its current location. So the only thing I can do is wrench down good and hard on that and hope it goes where I want it to go. This is not nearly as much fun as it looks. Okay, and that's that. Bye for now. I'm going to check the fluid level again after driving it in a few days. Once it cools down, pop it open and top it off once again, make sure that it's all full. Anyways, thanks for watching and please subscribe.